Hello and welcome to another 3D printing video. Today I'm actually in a different location. Usually I film out in the garage, but it's dark, it's cold, it's kind of late, so I'm doing it in the house today. And this video is going to be an unboxing video. I recently got this filament. My brother bought it for me for Christmas. It cost about $23, and yes, I know that because I added it to cart so he could buy it for me because he offered to buy it. And it's copper filament. It's copper colored PLA. And I'm gonna open it and see if this stuff's any good. Okay, so it comes in a cool, fairly plain cardboard box. I kind of like it when it has a lot of information about the company on the box. I think it's pretty cool. So here is the filament. It's Amaze 3D printer filament PLA. Diameter is 1.75 millimeters. The tolerance is plus or minus 0.03. The net weight is 1 kilogram. That's usually the size of the spools. And the temperature for the extruder is 180 degrees through 210 degrees Celsius. And of course, it's made in China. So I'm going to open this thing. It came vacuum sealed, which is pretty nice. Okay, it came with some silica gel. Get rid of that. And it's got a pretty nice color. Yeah. So I want to start printing some stuff with this. So this is where I need your help. There's actually tons of things I could print, and I don't know what I should test print first. So it's up to you guys. I want you guys to leave a comment what I should print. I can print a 3D Benchy, which is a little boat. I could 3D print maybe a Yoda head, or I could 3D print a Lamborghini. I know you guys requested that. I might do that. I attempted to do it with a different filament, but my printer stopped working for that print, so I'm going to have to restart it sometime after I get that cleaned up. So thanks for watching, guys. If you are interested in 3D printing, go check out the rest of my other videos and subscribe to Gameaholics. I'll have a link somewhere on this sometime. He does gaming vids. He's my video editor. I might just edit this video myself, but thanks for watching, guys. Bye.